Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're listening, welcome back. Today is double 555. Yes, today is day 55 of our 100-day challenge, and as every day we are going strong, we are going healthier, we are going happier, we are joy magnets, you guys, and whatever we touches becomes more joyous. Whoever touches us become more joyous. That's the power of magnet. That's the power of this universe. That's the power of Almighty we are carrying with us. That's what Almighty has given us, to be happier, to be joyous, and spread that happiness, spread that joy, spread that wealth, spread everything, I would say. And that's what I think we have been doing. And every day is an exciting day, guys. Every day brings a new hope, new excitement, new love, new happiness, new peace. And we should always open our arms and welcome that every day with a new thoughts, with a new feeling, and with a new excitement, with a new motivation, with a new commitment. And one thing which is very common is you. Every day is the only thing which is common is you, and that's what you have to keep, that passion, you have to keep that commitment of what the new me you want to be. Yesterday we touched upon that. So I think you would have put down some 3 4 qualities of what new me should look like, and be that persona, be that personality wherever you're walking around, whether it's in a party, in a home, or in office, or wherever you're walking along. Be that person, be that celebrity, be that persona, and be that what you want, what you see, and act like that, behave like that, carry along with that, converse like that. um, and just imagine, guys, because the once you start acting on that way, you behave in that way, you feel so excited about that. And for example, if you want I want a new car, a luxury car, so just act that you have that luxury car. Go to that showroom, see that car, touch that car, feel that car, have a test ride of that car, feel that car is coming to you. And just let the higher power do everything for you. You just have to be in state of commitment, and do your work, do your action, and carry along with those personalities, carry along with that notion, carry along with that thoughts, carry along with that belief, carry along with that faith that you have in this universe, you have in Almighty, that whatever you are, whatever you want, whatever you're desiring, it's coming to you, guys. and and be thankful, be have that gratitude. And just imagine, guys, this universe is abundance. Everything is here in this universe for every one of us. More than what anyone can even think of. God has given us in this universe much more than what we can think for every person. So we need to just open our arms and let God give you everything, guys. Let the superpowers, let the higher powers, let Almighty, let superpowers, let this universe bring you everything what you desire, more than what you desire. And be that person, be that commitment, have that focused, have that faith, have that openness, and see everything will get unfolded for you so perfectly, so beautifully. And it's all the matter of trust and commitment, guys. I would say we have been touching so many important things of this journey every day, and I'm sure you would have also acknowledged that these are very important aspect of those behavior or those happiness. And the more we are committed to it, the more we are consistent with our approach, the results are bound to happen. The results are coming. I'm sure you would have seen some results by now, and if you continue more, much more results are coming, and everything will coming skyrocketing to you, guys. So just be in your lane and let everything be done by the universe, by Almighty, by the higher powers, guys. I know there are so many moving parts. The person who's listening this video for the first time might not be able to collect all those pieces, But guys, look out my past few videos, you will immediately get to recognize, yeah, this is what I'm trying to make it over here. And on that note, guys, thank you so much. It's always so excited, it's always so passionate to come and talk to you guys. You guys are like extended family now, and for all your support, for all your love, for all your motivation, thank you so much, guys. Let be rocking, let's keep on rocking. And guys, you are the joy magnets, so have that personality, have that notion with you, and spread that joyness whatever, wherever you are. And on that note, guys, thank you so much. Till we meet tomorrow, have a great and a wonderful day. Thank you. Ciao.